If you have pain somewhere in your head, neck, and jaw that just won't go away, you can't go right to the painful area and fix it there. We need to back out and take a more holistic approach. It's kind of like if you had love handles and you really wanted to get rid of them, you can't just do an exercise to that area to get rid of the fat. It's called spot reducing, and it's a myth. Instead, you need to address your diet. You need to know how many calories are going in and going out. You need to start exercising, and eventually the body will remove the fat from that area. And when it comes to chronic pain, if you've had a pain in a specific area a long time, first we need to figure out what muscles, what joints, what nerves refer pain there, all the different ways that pain can get here. And once we've narrowed it down to what's generating your pain, second, we need to look at the rest of the body. So which movement patterns and postures and tightness from your toes up to your neck can actually be putting you in a certain position that's irritating that structure that's causing the pain. And third, we need to figure out the right pacing for you. How hard do we push? How much resistance do we use? How often should you do it? Because if you overdo it with any of those, it's going to put you in a flare up in pain. And then you freak out because you think that this exercise or this movement isn't for you, or we don't do enough and it doesn't move the needle. So then you feel like this isn't even working. I should move on to something else. And the worst part is that you could be on the right course, but if you mess up any of those three pieces, you don't get fully better and then you just give up. And the biggest problem I see is people jump from approach to approach to approach searching, when really if they just stuck with the original approach and just played with each of the three variables until they figured it out, they would get better. So remember, don't take the simple approach of going straight to your pain. Zoom out and figure out the problem holistically.